you lose your tools, you lose your jobs.
We're trying to educate people on how tool marking works, what the importance of it is, how to help the police out, how we're going to make a difference.
Today's event is so important because it shows, you're not alone. There's support out there. Many companies, Fix Radio, CT1 got behind, Howden's Insurance providing toolkits for everyone.
The reason why we're here today is to raise awareness around tool theft and to try and get as many trades as we can marking their tools.
They can identify it and they can identify it there and then. Literally do this at the roadside.
Tool theft is a huge problem, and when you steal someone's tools, you're literally stealing food off their plates and the ability for them to look after their families.
So many of our customers have suffered having their vans broken into, and this is just their entire livelihood.
So we insure a lot of tradesmen, all variety of trades, and we get lots of people, as well as doing their public liabilities, we do tools insurance as well. So we get lots of people that call us unfortunate after the incidents happened where they've had the tools theft, which really impacts their business, they're unable to operate.
At the moment, it's affecting many thousands of livelihoods. It has a big impact on mental health aspect of tradespeople.
Because every day I will go out to my van and think, has it been robbed?
For me, it's an important issue because it's personal. I got broken into, I lost £8,500 in a matter of minutes.
Forensic marking like SelectaDNA is really useful for us because it is that unique trace directly back to the owner. Initials on drills and batteries, it's fine when you're on site, but when we recover, and we do recover quite a lot, we aren't able to trace them back to the victim. So not only does it provide us a way of getting those tools back to the rightful owners, but it also helps us secure a conviction.
But now with SelectaDNA kit, it's done an amazing job where there's a system and processes in place to recovering these tools. Game changer.
We've done a few events now, and there's not been one person that's questioned how good this stuff is.
By using products like SelectaDNA, it just gives us that upper hand.
It's always in the back of your head, is it going to get robbed? Hopefully we can help get that feeling off the chest of tradesmen and make them feel more secure in themselves anyway.